Good day everyone, this is Patrick from UsdFX Code Training System, and this is Saturday the 20th of March 2021, and this is the weekly analysis for the spot gold, XAU, USD, and dollar yen, dollar against the Japanese yen for the 4th week of March. And let's begin with spot gold, where it has been restrained and contained below the 1750 resistance level. Did attempt on Thursday to push up higher, but then reversed and pulled back to close below that. And also holding up above the 10 SMA. So it's a pretty narrow range for spot gold for the whole week, and it is attempting to climb up higher, but very small attempts to break through above this resistance zone. It looks as if it's could be forming a ascending triangle, but it needs to decisively close above the 1750 area. Otherwise, if it does drop down lower, there's a very strong support at the 1700 area. So this week, there's a few key news with the Fed Chair Jerome Powell making his testimony for a couple of days. Just some minor flash PMIs, and then the US final GDP on Thursday. But other than that, no major news. Only last week's FOMC dovish statement, which drove up the majors, but then in fact all of them gave it all back, except spot gold managed to bounce back up a bit higher to close at where it left off on the Wednesday. So we can contrast this with the US dollar index, and let's take a look here. It's after that dovish statement on Wednesday, that was the drop here, but then managed to recover back on Thursday and then hovered above the previous swing low, close above that, and now forming a descending triangle, but with support from this previous swing high here. And if it does break down below, then there is still support at this 1991 level, intermediate support level, before it hits down to the 138 fib extension. If it does break out higher, then it will face initial resistance at the 200 EMA before testing the key resistance at the 62 fib retracement level, or the 786 retracement of this bigger swing down. So this is a key consolidation now. It's either next week or the following week that it will either break out one way or the other. All right. Let's take a look at the dollar yen, where it has been pretty much supported just below the 109 and just at the 108.60 area. but it has not been able to climb up higher above. Look at all the sell-off of these wicks here. So it has been tough to climb up higher, but the intermediate support is still at this 200 pip extension, and above that, that's the key resistance at the 110. So it may not be able to reach that yet, and it did the highest as climb up to was 109.37. So still below the weekly R1 pivot. But yep, in positive correlation with the US dollar index, it has been climbing up and climb up every key round figure. So it's struggling now to get up to the next key range. So this coming week could be further consolidation. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. It's a spinning top and indecision and further consolidation. So you will need for the US dollar index to break out. Otherwise, it's still going to maintain its neutral stance. But for the month, it has done quite well already. It's way above the monthly pivot from just below 106 and well above the monthly pivot with another week and a half to go. All right, so let's see how the US dollar perform this coming week. Do check out my other videos as well on the other major pairs and the weekly Ichimoku analysis. Have a safe week and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.